In a bold departure from the robotics industry's typical focus on logistics and manufacturing, EngineAI Robotics has unveiled the T800, a full-size humanoid robot explicitly marketed as combat-ready and engineered specifically for robot boxing and fighting competitions. Named after the iconic synthetic assassin from the Terminator film franchise, the T800 represents EngineAI's aggressive push into the rapidly growing robot combat sports sector. The T800 stands 1.85 meters, 6 feet 1 inch, tall, weighs 85 kilograms, 187 pounds, and packs 41 high degree of freedom joints, a solid-state battery, and aluminum alloy covers for added structural resilience. It made its global debut at the 2025 World Robot Conference in Beijing, where the company staged it on a Game of Thrones-style Iron Throne to highlight its entertainment-driven marketing strategy. Built for battle. Technical specifications optimized for combat. The T800 features a multi-sensor fusion perception system, integrating vision, tactile, and force sensors, enabling real-time awareness of complex environmental changes. These capabilities are crucial for combat scenarios where robots must rapidly assess opponent movements and respond with appropriate defensive or offensive actions. The robot utilizes an internal high-performance computing unit to make rapid and precise decisions, substantially boosting operational capability in high-dynamic environments. Unlike EngineAI's flagship SE01 Humanoid, which excels at fluid human-like motions for commercial applications, the T800 is specifically engineered for strength and resilience in competitive fighting scenarios. In traditional boxing, the T800 would fall into the cruiserweight division, like Evander Holyfield, but it's right on the edge of heavyweight. This substantial build gives the T800 significant advantages in robot combat sports, where structural integrity and power delivery prove critical to competitive success. The inclusion of solid-state battery technology represents a significant technical advancement. These batteries replace the liquid electrolyte in typical lithium-ion packs with solid material, reducing fire risk, allowing for higher energy storage in the same space, and handling more charge cycles. This technology ensures the T800 can sustain operation through multiple combat rounds without battery degradation compromising performance. The T800 is scheduled to be a core competing model in the Robot Boxer free combat competition hosted by EngineAI on December 24. Designed to be the ultimate test of the robot's dynamic stability and AI capabilities. This event, officially titled the EngineAI Robot Free Combat Tournament, Mecha King, will take place in Shenzhen and represents what organizers describe as the world's first full-scale humanoid robot combat tournament. Competing teams will engage as humanoid robot combat clubs, and their robots must simulate human movements and perform combat actions under specified rules using intelligent decision-making systems to respond in real time to complex environments. This requirement for real-time intelligent decision-making significantly raises the technological bar beyond earlier robot combat competitions that relied primarily on remote human control. According to EngineAI, the event will feature full-scale humanoids and introduce pioneering rules that demand real-time intelligent decision-making. These rules aim to push the boundaries of what humanoid robots can achieve in terms of autonomous combat capability, serving as a proving ground for embodied AI technology. EngineAI's aggressive marketing of the T800 as combat-ready reflects the company's distinctive dual strategy approach. This aggressive R&D push runs in parallel with a surprisingly pragmatic, public-facing commercial strategy, with EngineAI recently deploying its humanoids as cyberstaff in a new Shenzhen retail store in a cooperative venture with e-commerce giant JD.com. This dual approach, mixing high-impact spectacle with steady commercial deployment, is becoming EngineAI's signature. The company recognizes that robot combat sports generate valuable publicity and public engagement, while simultaneously providing extreme testing conditions that accelerate technological development. Industry experts believe these high-pressure scenarios are invaluable for refining robotic structure, motion control, and AI, with algorithms optimized for the extreme conditions of combat having practical applications such as improving the stability of robots handling heavy loads in everyday tasks.